I-4 wood is not just for wood. I-4 wood is also ideal for subfloor leveling and professional screed preparation. New 17 disc with floating joint for rapid grinding and efficient material removal. Series S tools with wide profile segments, maximum removal power on concrete with reduced wear. Ideal for efficient concrete removal. Quick lock attachment. New segment size. The height has been increased to 12 millimeters. Highly efficient, it offers significant material removal while minimizing tool wear. Stable, easy to control, precise in every detail. Highly aggressive grinding action. High material removal, uniform flatness. Real results in less time. From parquet floors to cement screeds, one single machine is able to perform all jobs. I-4 wood is the true choice of professionals.